Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous over-the-top 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 hardtop. Got Anthony here, the owner, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How we doing today, Anthony?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
Purchased the car a few years back.
Cool.
My son and I needed a little, not much.
Yeah.
So we just kind of tweaked it a little bit. I fell in love with the color.
Me too. Killer colors.
Yeah, great colors. The nice straight body.
Yeah.
No rust. The 312 Thunderbird engine 4-barrel.
Yeah.
I think it's got 245 horse. Runs really nice. Smooth.
Beautiful.
Just like the old 57s, man. It's, you know, like a boat.
Yeah.
Like going over waves with it.
Right? Love the skirts and everything. Super straight, gorgeous body.
Thank you.
Looks like you got new taillights in the back.
Yep.
This was some car back in the day. Just an icon, you know?
It's getting close to 70 years old.
Wow. This color is magnificent. I love how it comes right through into the interior. Automatic. Big lofty bench with belts. Love the wind wings. Forward facing rear mirrors. Man, look at the grille on this thing. So iconic, you know?
Yeah.
Looks like it's going a million miles an hour just sitting still. You know? Can you fire it up?
Sure.
Gobs of chrome everywhere. Sounds good. Taillights resemble like jet motors, you know? Everything was all about jets back then.
That's right.
A lot of innovations in the day for this car. Inside hood release. All kinds of cool stuff. Gorgeous interior. Beautiful headliner. Man, look at this steering wheel. So cool. Showing 8,660 miles. Beautiful dash. Carpet is gorgeous. All weather mats. .312 under the hood, power steering. Looks like it's got a 4-barrel carburetor. Runs really nice, huh? Anthony drives this car all over the place.
Nothing mechanically with the car.
It's all done, huh?
The only thing I did was a new starter about a month ago.
Yeah, these are reliable.
Yeah.
Hop in, turn the key, and roll. Man, nice lofty bench. Back. I have the whole family in here. Pretty car. guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Michael from Weeby Autos. Give me a shout, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 250 photos today I took on the website. So weebyautos.com. Thanks for showing us your car, Anthony.
You're welcome.
She's a beauty.